All right guys, for today's workout, I'm about to walk you guys through an intermediate calisthenics back day. And I'm already very sweaty because I just hit my own workout for the last hour, but I wanted to turn the camera on and show you guys what you can do as well. All right, for the first exercise, we just have regular pull-ups. I would shoot anywhere between 8 to 12 reps based on your strength level. Just make sure that the last 2 to 3 reps are challenging. We're doing it for 4 sets. I would do more, but I'm already pretty fatigued from my workout. But yeah, like I said, shoot between 8 to 12 reps, whatever feels right for you. You can also add weight if you feel like you should. And yeah, 4 sets, rest between 30 seconds to a minute. As far as form, there's not much to really say. I would just focus on having your whole body straight the whole time. You do not want to be kipping every time you go up. Want to have your legs locked out, be as strict as possible. Have your arms about shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider if you want to make it more challenging. Get your chin over the bar, obviously, and just try to be as controlled as possible. Don't want to be swinging. All right guys, next up we've got toes to bar. This is going to be targeting our back, specifically our lats and our core as well. Just make sure when you're doing it to not swing the entire time. You want to be controlled and slow. You don't want to do what all these other CrossFit people do and just swing their entire body and just sway up and down. You want to remain tight and locked out. Bring your legs up, bring them down. And you also want to keep your legs straight if you can. I know it can be hard if you're not flexible enough, but just do your best and shoot for 8 to 10 reps, 4 sets. All right guys, now we're doing bodyweight rows. If you can't find a bar like this, you can use something that's a bit higher, like a dip bar or something similar. And if you get your feet elevated onto a surface, it'll make it a bit more challenging. So find whatever you can, and we'll do this for 4 sets, 12 reps. All right, so I've been having someone help me film for like the last 2 or 3 clips. Come on. Here you go. What's your name again?
My name is Vvon, and I am 9 years old. I'm going to 4th grade, and I've never been a YouTuber before. I've been helping him being the cameraman and did pretty good clips. So.
Yeah, so if you want to become a YouTuber, I mean, you already have experience now, so you just gotta, get your own camera at some point, and then you'll be good to go.
My dad has a job finally.
Are we live? All right. So next up we got chin-ups. These are pretty self-explanatory, but 4 sets for 8. All right guys, for the last exercise, we'll be kind of burning out here, doing a back lever, and then trying to hold a tuck front lever for as long as possible. guys, last set right here. Your boy is dying, but I got this. The bar is super hot too.